Oh, hello there. My name is AI Candy, and chances are that you have asked me a question in stream which I've answered multiple times. Also, it's information that's very easily accessible through this playlist, which is on the screen now, or in a card, or maybe linked below. I use VSeeFace to capture myself, which is a free-use program. You have to go into a Discord. It's made by Emiliana, I'm pretty sure. And I use Leap Motion controllers, which is an additional purchase. You don't have to get that. That's pretty expensive. It's like $140 Australian, which again, you don't need that, but it's how you get hands, which I don't have plugged in right now because I'm too lazy. And I used Vroid to make my face, and technically it cost me nothing for what you're seeing right now. You can purchase outfits, clothes, eye presets. You can also buy hair presets, that kind of stuff. There's lots of things that you can buy, but you don't have to buy. If you have any kind of art knowledge, and I mean literally anything, if you can just like use Photoshop to change color layers, that's literally all you need to know as a baseline, because you can't just teach yourself it. I came from this in April of 2020 all the way to this motherfucker. I honestly recommend making an avatar at first if you can, because it's really expensive to try to commission one, and you may not know what aesthetic and what style and story and all that stuff that you want at the get-go. And a custom model is like $1,000 to $2,000 usually as a baseline. Some people do Vroid commissions at like $100 to $300 because technically a lot of that is just asset painting as opposed to doing full custom model elements. Sorry, I don't mean to be pouting. All I have is a C922 Logitech camera, which I had already, but you can use a phone or you can use any webcam you may already have. And I have a $20 clamp, which has a USB light ring on it, and that is pretty much my entire stream quotation mark setup. I use a Snowball microphone. I use Streamlabs OBS. Technically, I pay for premium because I use custom widgets on my streams. Otherwise, I did originally make my own overlays, which you can do also. Basically, you just need a color box with some transparent areas to it. It's not that difficult. You can also find free assets online. Usually people make like really basic layouts that you can use, or you can pay for like Streamlabs Premium, which honestly, if you really have no idea where to start off, not a bad idea. But you can do pretty much everything that I've done so far. I technically could have done for free, but I was lazy and I wanted to buy certain things. I don't know if you're watching this years later, maybe the world has, you know, decayed and everything is gone and all that is left is this video. But I'm a VTuber and you can be one too for the low cost of technically nothing, but you can also invest a couple of dollars and get some good assets. I don't know shit about Live 2D. Don't ask. I can't help you there. That's not my area, man. I also highly recommend just streaming in general. Even if you just have a picture of your character, even if it's not even animated or rigged or anything like that, I super highly recommend that you just freaking stream and just try it out before you spend any money, because I already streamed for several years before this, and then I was like, I don't really feel like doing IRL streaming. I'm gonna try VTubing for a while, and I really liked it. But I do have that caveat that like I have had a past with streaming before. So if you haven't never streamed before, have never made content before, it's a lot more difficult than just sitting there and playing games, because you have to like be able to talk, manage chat, manage notifications. There's like the they're like rejection, I guess, in a sense, if like your stream goes like is quiet, or if you feel like you've made a mistake. It's also the ability to talk non-stop and have non-scripted content. Also, like, I guess, improv comedy, that kind of stuff. These are all skills that you should look into. Also, if you're looking to become a VTuber, I also highly recommend that you consider the actual fact that you are becoming a content creator as well. So it's not just becoming a VTuber or a V-streamer, you're becoming a YouTuber or a streamer. So I recommend that you educate yourself, take the time to like learn skills, like basic stuff like Photoshop, like learn or an equivalent program. There's free programs out there equivalent to Photoshop. Learn the basics of video editing, audio editing, and yeah, just like kind of pick one topic and then delve a little bit into it. And don't be defeatist and be like, I don't know how to do anything, and come into my chat, because I swear to God, I'm gonna kill you. I mean, I'm gonna kill that attitude with kindness. I'm not gonna kill anyone, but it just carry yourself the way that you want to be seen, and then hopefully the energy will flow. If you come to this video from my streams, I'm so sorry. Also, thank you for coming to hang out. If you're just like randomly watching this video, I'm more sorry to you guys. But to summarize as keynotes, I use Logitech C922, I use VSeeFace, I use a Snowball microphone, Streamlabs OBS, I use an overlay that I bought on Etsy for like $50, I think, and then some widgets I got with Streamlabs. And I made my model in Vroid, and it's taking me like 4 months to get from where I was before to this outfit. Yeah, that's basically all you need to know. And just don't set the bar of entry so high that you never start. Just literally start, and then you'll like learn along the way. And if you don't blame me. Okay, thank you for your time. Make sure you wash your butt. Okay, bye. Twitch.tv/iCandy is my friend's legal name, and that thing includes Twitch free home streaming service. Okay, bye. For real this time. Okay, bye.